Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Every Day series. Today I have another L'Oreal lip product to try out, and this is once again in packaging that you cannot tell what the product is. It doesn't say the name of the product anywhere on here, but I found it online. It's the Glow Paradise Lip Balm-in-Gloss, which I remember when I picked this up at Target, I was very intrigued by the fact that this is a balm gloss. So this is a product that I showed in my recent new makeup that I found at Target haul, which is up here on YouTube if you haven't seen it yet. It cost $8 at Target, and I got it in the shade Rosy Utopia, which this is just exactly the type of lip shade that I'm always buying. This kind of mauve medium pink tone is just my favorite. So I'm really excited to see how this color is going to look and how it's going to feel and look on my dry, chapped lips. Like a balm and gloss in one sounds so perfect for my lips. It says it has pomegranate extract and hyaluronic acid, so some nice nourishing ingredients, which with that pomegranate extract, I'm very excited to see what this is going to smell like. So let's go ahead and check out the applicator and see how it smells. Ooh, this applicator actually is like basically the same applicator as their infallible plumping gloss from L'Oreal, and it's like looks like the number 8, but it's a little pointy on top. It's at an angle and it's hollow in both sections. And when I first saw this, I was like, wow, I had never seen an applicator like this, and now a couple of the L'Oreal products have it. But let's see how it smells. Ooh, it smells very nice, but it smells very floral. Not what I was expecting from like a pomegranate. I was expecting, of course, more fruity, but it does smell like very pretty flower, almost like perfume. Okay, now let's see how it swatches. Decent amount of pigment there. Not like super opaque, but you can definitely see that really pretty color, which actually does seem very true to how it looks in the packaging here. And it does seem to have some shine, some very slight, tiny little shimmer in it as well, which I like to add even more shine because I love a super glossy lip. So yeah, I'm so excited to see how this is going to look on my lips. Really pretty color. It definitely goes on a little bit more thick than a lip gloss, so I kind of get that balm texture mixed in with the gloss. And that is a nice wash of color on the lips. It did change the color of my lips, and it's looking smooth and even and opaque, but I think because this color is more similar to my natural lip shade, it looks more opaque, but I love this color. I love the feel of this too. Not at all sticky. And it does have pretty shine. Just so comfortable. It really does have that lip balm hydrating comfortable feel to it with the shine and the color of a lip gloss. I'm loving this product, this combination of lip gloss and balm. It's exactly what I would hope for and expect when you hear that. And it really is so enhancing on the lips. I don't notice any of that shimmer sparkle that I could see if I looked really up close in the swatch. It does just look shiny, it looks smooth, my lips look very hydrated. It's giving that juicy look. Even though it's not a plumping gloss, it really does kind of give that plumping illusion because the lines in my lips are smoother. The shine really helps. The color, it's just such a beautiful, flattering lip product. It is the type that I'm going to have to reapply, but it is so quick and easy to apply that is fine by me. I'll do a kiss test just to see how much transfer and how much it really does come off easily. Yeah, so you're going to get a full kiss mark there. And since this shade is similar to my natural lip color, you can't tell as much that it's faded. So I think that's why I'm so drawn to this type of shade. But I'm not worried about how this is going to look as it fades and as it comes off, because my lips are truly like deeply moisturized. So my lips are going to be more hydrated, and then that color fading isn't going to actually look too bad. So I really like this as a lip gloss. So easy to apply, so pretty, such a comfortable feel. I am so excited about this. It does come in a bunch of different shades, if maybe this isn't the shade that you would typically be most comfortable in, which, by the way, of course, if you have tried this out, I would love to hear in the comments down below what you think of it. But yay, another new drugstore lip product that I'm so excited to have in my collection. You can see back there, it is a big collection that is continuing to grow because I cannot get enough of these new drugstore lip products. They are so fun to try. So if you have any other recommendations of ones that you want me to try out, always just let me know in the comments down below what you want to see me try. I love to get that type of feedback. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.